Hi there, students. Poky. Pokey. Okay, this is one of these words that it's difficult because it depends which language you're using, American or British, and it also depends, do you spell it P-O-K-Y or P-O-K-E-Y? Well, firstly, to me as a Brit, the word pokey talks about a room or a space that's very small, restricted. So I live in a small pokey room. Yes, it has very little area. There isn't room to turn round. There isn't room to swing a cat. In London, unless you spend a lot of money, you get a pokey room or a pokey flat. It's small, it's uncomfortable. The apartments are pokey, dimly lit and badly furnished. I've got a pokey little office at the back of the building. Okay, so a pokey room, a pokey house, a pokey place, it's unpleasantly small and it's unpleasantly uncomfortable. You can then use the word pokey to say that somebody is moving very slowly. We've got the word a slow poke, which is somebody who's just very slow. They react very slowly. Come on, don't be a slow poke. Get on with it. Don't be so pokey. Move it. Yeah, don't be so bloody pokey. Come on, get on with it. And this to me is an American usage. Okay, so I think pokey, a small one, I think is probably both British and American, although I think it's probably more common a pokey little room in British English. If somebody's pokey, they're very slow. Don't be so damn pokey. Move it. And then finally, somebody's in pokey. They're in prison, and this is an American, an informal American phrase. Now notice all of these three are fairly informal. So a pokey little room, you could spell it P-O-K-Y, P-O-K-E-Y, but this is mainly British. Small and not with lots of room. Somebody who's pokey is very slow. This I would only spell P-O-K-Y without an E, and this is American. And then in pokey was in pokey for 3 years with an E-Y or with P-O-K-Y. Both are possible as well. This is very American. Now the Brits do have another meaning for pokey, is a fast car, something that accelerates very well. In English, we very often, in British English, we often use a car with a bit of poke. If a car has got poke, it's got very good acceleration. So this car has a pokey 2.5 litre petrol engine. It's fast, it goes very fast, it accelerates a lot. So pokey, and I would only spell it P-O-K-Y, a powerful acceleration. So a pokey little room, a tiny little room, British. Don't be so pokey, don't be such a slow poke, don't be so slow. I'm sure there was a Pokemon called Slowpoke. And then pokey, prison. Yes, slang word for prison. And then finally pokey, with lots of acceleration. So a pokey car, British English. A pokey room, lots of tiny room, British. Pokey, jail, American. Pokey, slow, American. Okay. What about some origins? I think a pokey, as in small, all you have to do is poke and you would hurt your finger. I think the word pokey for acceleration is push, is the idea of acceleration. The other two I'm not so clear. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pokey.